Hello friends, today I can show you something very special. I got a present from a legend of adenium growing, Mr. Ram. If you don't know who the Mr. Ram is, you'll know soon. Let me show you. And then we'll unpack the present. This is Mr. Ram. And this is his YouTube website. And if you click on the word videos, you can see his very educational videos. If you click on word popular, you can see his most popular ones. But if you click on a word playlist, and I can put the link to it in the end of the video and also under title, then you can see a series of videos, series of 4 detailed videos that he made, very detailed, how to make adenium centipede roots. You click here and you'll see all 4 of them. They're numbered so you can read it in a proper order and learn. Maybe you don't know what means centipede video. Well, centipede is an insect like that. Here in Hawaii we have a huge ones, like 7-8 inches long. An insect that can bite and has many legs. Well, Centipede adeniums are adeniums that have a very evenly spread roots, resemble centipede. And how to make something so beautiful, he's teaching on those 4 videos in very big detail. He's teaching how to start such a plant. But one of our adenium friends gave me one from Mr. Ram. I would call this kind of roots radiant roots. If you type in a Google radiant root adenium, you can see my videos how to start it and how it continues. But anyway, let's take a look on adenium with radiant roots or centipede roots from Mr. Ram. The adenium friend who got it from Mr. Ram and gave me one of those that he got as a gift says that I should not say who he is, where he is from. He laughed, he said, "Tell that I'm from America." Well, if from America is not telling where he's from, then I guess he's a Martian. He's a Martian adenium friend. And he gave me this package. Actually, it was his dear wife who came to this island and delivered it in his name. Hard to untie this. Let me turn off the camera to untie it, then I'll restart the camera. One moment, please. Okay, untied. In this upside down world, one never knows, sometimes doesn't know where is up and where is down. So on Facebook he sent me a message that the arrow will show what's up, and he made this package from two special Japanese pots, and I would have to turn off camera to peel this off to open it. So one moment please, and I'll restart the camera. Okay, the tape is off, and let's see the miracle. Here are the beautiful branches. He told me that this adenium is a cultivar called Thai Soko. I'm actually growing. I have actually big plants of Thai Soko Chadapech, cultivar of a cultivar. Subcultivar. And now I'll take it out, and look, evenly spread, and then secondary roots evenly spread, and then tertiary roots to be grown, pruned, and evenly spread later. Fantastic, bombastic. Alla tutti e peggio. Look at it. Adenium centipede made by a adenium master. To be transplanted today, to be planted today. And under the pot, another present. Adenium seeds of a cultivar PBN, 8 seeds, big ones. I assume the PBN will be some kind of cultivar of Adenium arabicum, because they're large by adenium standards, and I know the arabicum has a large seeds. I would have to read on the internet specifically PBN, what kind of cultivar it is. Okay, my friends, and with this I'm concluding the video of unpacking from my, let's say, Martian friend, a video of his gift that he received from living legend of adenium growing, Mr. Ram. This is my big plant. And this is my new baby. Yeah. Thank you very much. my new Adenium friend who wants to remain nameless.